Welcome back. I'm Letty Cooper, and we're going to talk about email. In Office 365, we're going to learn on this first screen about navigating through and what the screen contains. There's a lot of information here and a lot of things we can do. So let's get started. The inbox is where we are now. That's displaying which folder we are in. And here it tells us how we are sorting the inbox. And in this current one, it is by date. A selected message is highlighted in purple. The rest are in white. At the top of the preview message, you can easily reply to a message or reply all, or forward the message on to someone else. And the little ellipsis gives us more choices of what we can do with our message. You can mark this message as unread. You are seeing a preview of the selected message. You can create a new message from this screen. If you click on the folders where the little arrow pointing to the left, you can hide your folders. If they are hidden, you click on More and you can unhide the folders. And if you click on the little arrow next to a folder, this will expand the folder to show all of the folders within that folder. When you first log in to Outlook web app, you will be viewing your inbox. Now if you want to change folders and look in a different one, all you do is you just click on a folder name on the left, and that will allow you to view the contents of that folder. To expand a folder, just click on the little arrow that is next to the folder name. Now to read a message, you can click on the folder, click on the message, and that will show you the message, a preview of the message in the reading pane, which is usually to the right of the screen. Now to open the message in its own window, you'll double click on that message. Deleting a message. There are multiple ways to do this, and the first one is you click on the message to select it and then press delete on your keyboard. And either delete key on a Mac keyboard will work. Or you can click on the trash can next to the flag. You can also right-click on the message and choose to delete it from the list of choices that pops up. To reply to or forward a message, while you're viewing the message, you can click on Reply, Reply All, or the forward button at the top of the message. Creating a new message. So if you want to start fresh with a message, you're going to click on the New button with the little plus in the upper left-hand corner. A new window will pop up, and in here you're going to enter the recipient's name in the To section. If you have a CC you want to include in this message, you'll enter the recipient's names in there. You will enter a subject for the message, and then below the formatting bar you'll type your message in there. If you click on the ellipsis, you'll get more choices for that message. And then when you're finished creating your message, click Send, and your message will be off. Attaching a document to an email. So to do this, you will click on the Insert button to add an attachment. You'll get 3 choices. Choose which one you want to attach, and once you have made your choice, you can again click on the ellipsis, make more choices, and when you're finished, click on the Send button. We have several default folders. They are your inbox, drafts, sent items, deleted items, junk mail, and notes. Your inbox is where your incoming messages arrive. Drafts are messages that you have started and you've not been able to finish. So they will be saved in drafts, and when you finish them, then they will be sent from there. Sent items is by default a copy of every message you send. Deleted items. When you delete an item from another folder, it goes into your deleted items. And junk mail. If you have a message that has not been blocked by a spam filter, however, it has junk email characteristics, it will be sent to your junk email folder. So if you're looking for a message and it's not in your inbox but you're expecting it, check your junk mail. And the notes. That is a read-only folder, and you must use Outlook to create or edit items in this folder. You can't do it from the OWA. Now when we right-click on folders, we can do many things. Create a new folder. We can rename a folder, delete it, empty it, add to favorites, move, mark as read, or change the permissions. So creating a new folder, to do that, you're going to right-click on the folder in which you want to create a folder. Rename a folder, you'll right-click on the folder you want to rename, and then click Rename, and you can change the name of that folder. Delete a folder, deletes the folder and everything in it, and it moves it to the deleted items folder. Empty is everything within that folder will be deleted. The folder still remains there, it's just everything is gone from within it. You can add a folder to the favorites. That just makes it a little bit easier for you to get to. You can move a folder, and you can mark a folder as read. Permissions opens a window where you can change the permissions for that folder. Okay, so folder and email tips, we're going to give you a little bit of information here. A folder, including all the emails it contains, can only be moved to another location. It cannot be copied. So just remember that. Now once you've asked it to move, then you cannot quit that application. And the Recover Deleted Items feature, that allows you to recover items that you've deleted from your deleted items folder. And you have up to 30 days to do this. And for some folder organization, to add a folder to favorites, you're going to right-click the folder and click Add to Favorites. You can reorder folders by clicking and dragging, or you can right-click on the folder you want to move. Then you're going to click Move. And in the next window that pops up, you're going to click on the destination folder and then click Move. Your folder will be automatically moved. Now to remove a folder, you'll right-click on the folder that you want to remove, and then you're going to click Delete. As for settings, you can change the display. So you're going to click on the Settings button, which is in the upper right-hand corner, and it's the little gear. From the drop-down list, you'll click on Display Settings, and then you'll choose your preferences. So your message list, you're going to have your messages listed or have them in conversations or in the reading pane. You'll click on the type of layout you want and how you want your preview text. Then click OK. Most things transfer over to Office 365, however, signatures do not. So you're going to click on the Settings button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and again, that is the gear. You're going to choose Options from the drop-down list, and then under the Layout section, you're going to click on Email Signature. Enter your email signature in the box below the formatting toolbar. And you can copy your signature from another email that you've sent and paste it in here if you want to. You can also click in the checkbox to automatically include the signature on all outgoing messages. Change any formatting that you want, and then click on the Save button. And that's email.